The sum of two minds thinking together on the same topic is greater than their individual parts. They are, together, a mastermind. Take a growth journey with us, a group of emotionally and intellectually invested thinkers. Together, we will grow in the richness of John Maxwell's teachings. John Maxwell's thought leadership on the topics of leadership, sales, communication, coaching, speaking, and more are heralded by the great business leaders of our time as essential truths to work and live by. Your group will learn and grow together as you share experiences, best practices, and ideas. Be intentional. Grow deliberately. You are invited to experience what so many great business minds already know. There is power in the mastermind.